In parliamentary democracy, it is a practice. We are bound by certain rules and procedure of conduct of business of the House or Parliament. Therefore, to voice your opinion in a manner which is not unparliamentary is not against the rules of procedure. However, this should not cross the limit wherein the rules may be applicable, where the member or the minister concerned is asked to apologize or rephrase or withdraw. So that situation should not arise. It has happened in the past, it will happen in the future. But then we must be governed by certain rules, and the decorum and dignity of the House should not be trampled upon at any time by any member of the House, irrespective of their position in the House. See, at the outset, after it was reported in the section of the press and the electronic media, I found it very unfortunate that such remarks were made in the state where one could see that the attempt was to divide the people of the state who belong to different religious denominations. Therefore, as a head of my party and as a citizen of the state, I would like to condemn such an attempt that was made. And but also to further add, I believe the person who had made some statement has withdrawn or apologized, which is welcome. Because we are free as a secular country to do what we practice, what religion we like or would like to follow. Therefore, any statements made such statements should not be made. You know, everybody can give their opinion as to, criticize or say that, oh, there's traffic jams everywhere. But how about coming up with some constructive criticism? So, whereby the government will examine those suggestions or criticisms and work upon it accordingly. Therefore, we need to study some of the states or countries which have a similar geographical and topographical terrain and still do not have the problem of traffic, I will say congestion, pandemonium. Because nobody follows the rules. There's no rules that are being followed. And also, the only way you can, now the question of cycling came. And the Honorable Chief Minister replied that we have electric bikes and all that, but nobody is seen using them. What is Shillong to control congestion by introducing cycles, unless it is a motorized bike, which then comes down to a scooty. So that they also causing chaos. So it's a difficult thing. The public transportation should be widely publicized. The STEM buses, it was a success story. But I have yet to see it being fully utilized, whereby all school children. Now, this is one problem which has not been enforced by the government. If you go to any state in the country, okay, let's not go far, just to Guwahati. Every school in Guwahati, irrespective of size and irrespective of the quality of the school in the way, whether it is a school run by the government or school run by private enterprises or public enterprises, you will see that they have public buses.